Hello and welcome, my dear students. We were in the chapter expansion formula and we had discussed a minus b the whole cube in the previous video, but still we'll recap it and solve practice set 5.3. Okay, the formula is this way: a minus b the whole cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b, then plus 3ab square minus plus and now again minus b cube. Okay, now we will solve practice set. Few sums I will solve, few sums you have to solve, and then later you can check whether it is correct. Okay, so applying the formula, a is 2m and b is 5. You don't have to consider the sign because we have one formula for minus and one formula for plus. Okay. So apply the formula. You will write the formula once. A minus b the whole cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Now in place of a put 2m carefully. 2m the whole cube minus 3 into 2m square into 5 plus 3 into 2m into 5 square minus b is 5 cube. Now open the bracket. 2 into 2 into 2 is 8 m cube minus 2 square is 4. 4 5s are 20. 23s are 60. M square. Okay. Then plus. Now here 5 square is 25. 25 2s are 50. 50 into 3 is 150. 150 m. Then we have minus 5 into 5 into 5 is 125. First answer ready. Okay. Now we move on to the second sum. Now here second sum you have the question as 4 minus p the whole cube. This is very easy to solve, so this you will do as homework. I'll move on to the third sum. 7x minus 9y the whole cube. So a is 7x and b is 9y. Now we are okay with the formula, so we will substitute it directly. Start from equal to. First is a cube. So 7x the whole cube minus 3 into a square, that is 7x square into b. b is 9y. Again check. A cube minus 3a square b. Correct. Now next comes plus 3 into, now this will not be squared, this will be squared. So we can see here and copy 7x into 9y the whole square. Okay, 3a square b, 3ab square. After plus, next is minus b cube. What is b? 9y the whole cube. Okay, so now we can solve it very comfortably, no tension at all. 7 into 7 into 7. 7 7s are 49. 49 7s are 343. Now we are experts in cubes. X cube minus, first to do the square. 7 7s are 49. 3 9s are 27. So I'll do the calculation. 49 into 27. Multiply. 7 9s are 63, carry 6. 7 4s are 28. 34. 0. 9 2s are 18, carry 1. 4 2s are 8. 9, add 3, 12, 1, 10, 13. So I got 1323 x square y. X square y. Now this part, plus sign. 9 square is 81. 81 into 3 7s are 21. So I'll do the 7 3s are 21. Let's multiply. 1 1s are 1. 8 1s are 8. 0. 2 1s are 2. 8 2s are 16. 1 10 7 1. Correct, no? My calculation. You also do. I may go wrong in between. So 1701 x alphabetical order we will write and y square minus 9 nines are 81, 81 nines are 9 nines are 81, 81 into 9 is 729. Okay, you can multiply and check 729 y cube. So our answer is 343x cube minus 1323x square y plus 1701 xy square minus 729 y cube. Now we move on to the next question. 58 cube. 58 cube can be written as 50 plus 8, or you can also write it as 60 minus 2 the whole cube. Your choice. But calculation wise this will be very easy to solve. So and this practice is about minus, no? So I wrote it in the form of 60 minus 2. We all know that 60 minus 2 is 58. And if you write it in the form of cube, you can use the a minus b the whole cube formula. So let us substitute. A will be 60 and b will be 2. Quickly solve. If you forget the formula, you can write the formula. In the exam, you have to write once. Here, we know the formula, so we will directly substitute. So this will be 60 cube minus 3 into 60 square into 2 plus 3 into 60 into 2 square minus 2 cube. A cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Correct. 60 cube. 6 into 6 into 6. 6 6 are 36. 36 6 are 216. 216. The whole cube will you write? No. Numbers cube, you got this answer. Okay, some children write here cube. Then you will have to take the cube of 216. Don't do that mistake. 60 into 60 into 60 is 6 into 6 into 6 is 216. Now you have to put 3 zeros because it is cube. 3 zeros. Now minus, go slow, 60 square. 60 square is 3600. Okay, so I'll write that first. 3600. 6 6 are 36 and 2 zeros into 3 2s are 6. Okay, if you can do it directly, you can write directly, no problem. Plus, now here 3 into 60 is 180 into 2 square will be 4. So 180 into 4. 400. 8 4s are 32, carry 3. 4 1s are 4, 7. So 720 minus 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. Okay. Now we have to solve this calculation. So our final this will be 216000 minus 3600 into 6. 6 zeros are 0, 6 zeros are 0, 6 6 are 36, carry 3. 6 3s are 18, 216 plus 720 minus 8. Now do this calculation on any one side, write the numbers and subtract. 216000 minus 21600. Okay, so first subtraction. Subtract first. 6 minus 0, 0, 0, 0. 10 minus 6, 4. This will be 5. 5 minus 1, 4. Okay. Now this will be 11 and this will be 1. 11 minus 2, 9 and 1. So we got 194400. So I'll write 194400. And then here you can see these two we did. Now that plus 720 minus 8. Always remember children, when you have subtraction and addition, whatever comes first, here subtraction is coming first. So first subtract these two numbers, write the answer, then copy the remaining. Now we will add these two numbers, 194400 plus 720 Okay, and we will subtract that answer by 8. Okay. After all the calculation, you are getting the answer as 195112. This is the answer. Please check. Now we have the next sum, that is the fifth sum. As fifth question is 198 the whole cube. Okay, so this can be written as 198, the closest number is 199 and 200. So 200 minus 2 will give you 198 and the whole cube. So A will be 200 and B will be 2. See, remember children, here you should not do directly 198 into 198 into 198 and get the answer. Here what are they testing? They are testing whether we know the expansion formula, which formula to be used appropriately. Here we will use the expansion formula A minus B the whole cube, because we know that 198 can be written as 200 minus 2. 200 minus 2 is 198. So A is 200, B is 2. Apply the formula. A minus B the whole cube is equal to A cube minus 3A square B plus 3AB square minus B cube. Okay. So in place of A we will put 200 the whole cube minus 3 into 200 square into B is 2 plus 3 into, now 200 only one time, into 2 square minus 2 cube. Check once. Okay, 3A square B, 3AB square. Okay. Now 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. Now there are 2 zeros. This you have to write 3 times. 2 zeros 1 time, 2 zeros 2 time, 2 zeros 3 times. So this way. Okay. Minus. Now go slow here. 200 square means 2 2s are 4 and 2 zeros you will write 2 times. 1 time, 2 zeros 2 times. Multiply by 3 2s are 6. So into 6. So here our answer will be 24 and 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now we have plus. 2 square is 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 3s are 24. And 2 zeros. Okay. Now here minus 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. Now we have to do all this operation. What did I say? Subtraction is coming first, so we will subtract. So subtract. So I have written the number. Let us subtract. 0 minus 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. 10 minus 4, 6. Here we have 9 minus 2, 7. And here we'll have 7. Okay. Then these two over. Now we will add 2, 4, 0, 0. So 2, 4, 0, 0 we will add. So 0, 0, 4, 2, 6, 7, 7. Now to that we will subtract minus 8. Subtract 8. 10 minus 8, 2. This will be 9. This will be 3, 2, 6, 7, 7. So our answer is 7, 7, 6, 2, 3, 9, 2. Okay. Now we have the sixth sum, 2p minus 1 upon 2p the whole cube. So A is 2p and B is 1 upon 2p. Direct I'll substitute 2p the whole cube minus 3 into 2p the whole square into 1 upon 2p. 3a square b plus 3 into, now see here and write 2p only one time into 1 upon 2p the whole square minus 1 upon 2p the whole cube. This will be 2 into 2 into 2 is 8p cube minus 2 2s are 4 or now you have that answer in your mind. You can do or write and do. Okay, so here I'll write and solve. One step will be more, no problem, but our answer will be correct. 3 into 2p square, no? So 2p I'll write 2 times, 2p into 2p into 1 upon 2p. Now this 2p and this 2p cancel. Okay, plus same way here 3 into 2p I'll write into 1 into 1 is 1 only and 2p into 2p. 2 times I wrote. 2p the whole square means 2p into 2p. So here again 2p cancel minus 1 into 1 into 1 is 1 upon 2 into 2 into 2 is 8 and p cube. So let us jot down the final step now, which is equal to 8p cube. 2p got cancelled. 3 2s are 6p. So from here 6p we got. Here 3 into 1 3. Sign is plus sign. 3 1s are 3 and upon 2p. Now please remember this p and this p you can't cancel because we have plus sign, not multiplication sign. Here we cancelled because we have multiplication sign. When you have plus sign, don't think of cancelling, children. We know this, but sometimes in hurry-burry we do this mistake. Minus 1 upon 8p cube over. This is our answer. See my dear children, don't copy my steps and you write. You do it and then check. Okay, check from the answer whether our answers are matching or not. And please forgive if I make any calculation mistake. Now we have the 7th sum. This as the 7th sum. I want you to do this as homework. Okay, now I'll start with the 8th sum. Calmly, these easy sums only I am giving as homework. Not complicated ones I am only solving where you are about to make mistake. So I'll go to the 8th sum now. X upon 3 minus 3 upon x the whole cube. So here a will be x upon 3 and b will be 3 upon x. Use the formula a cube. X upon 3 the whole cube minus 3 into x upon 3 the whole square into 3 upon x. 3a square b. Okay. Plus 3ab square. So here x upon 3 one time into 3 upon x the whole square minus 3 upon x the whole cube. One by one let us solve. X cube will be x cube upon 3 into 3 into 3 is 27 minus. Now here in your mind if you can do, very good. That is, this 3 is 2 times. So with pencil you can write. So 1 3 1 3 cancel. 1 3 1 3 cancel. Then here you have x into x. Okay. So 1x here cancel. So what is remaining on the top? We have 1x. Only 1x is remaining. Denominator, nothing is remaining. Everything got cancelled. Now we come to this side. Plus. Now here, this is 3 into 3. So I'll just write it. And this is x into x. With pencil you can write this. So what all things will get cancelled? This 3 and this 3. Anyway you can cancel. This 3 and this 3 also you can cancel. I cancelled this 3 and this 3. And this x and this x. Okay. So on the numerator what you have? 3 into 3, 9 upon denominator you have 1x remaining. Check once again. You can write one more step and solve like 3 into x upon 3 into 3 upon x into x. There you will be very much clear, no mistake. But in your mind if you can calculate, you will get this as the answer. Minus 3 into 3 into 3, 27 upon x cube. As I told you, don't cancel these two. You have plus sign in between. Okay. Into, if you have, you can cancel. Otherwise, you can't cancel. Okay children, so this is the final answer. Now we move on to the simplify. Now we go on to simplify. Now remember children, these all sums, these all expansion formulas are to make your brain strong, to keep your nervous system active. When you do calculation, you are active. Okay, so don't feel bad that, oh, such big calculations are. This is your age to calculate. Okay, you should be strong enough and accurate. It is also testing your accuracy. Okay, so here same formula we are using, but maybe we have to use it 2 times, as you can see in this question. There is 2a plus b the whole cube minus 2a minus b the whole cube. So here we have to use both the formula, a plus b the whole cube formula here and a minus b the whole cube formula here. And remember, we have minus sign. Minus sign is very dangerous. If you have minus sign, when you open the bracket, all the sign will change. That one thing you have to remember. So what is the formula here? A plus b the whole cube is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. You should be very smart now. A cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So first we will solve this part, put minus sign, and then we will solve this part. So same like the previous practice set, only here the sums are little lengthy. So we will put an equal to and start. First we will apply a plus b the whole cube formula. 2a the whole cube plus 3 into 2a square into b plus 3 into 2a into b square plus b cube. That is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Now what will you put? Minus sign. Be very careful. Minus sign, dangerous sign. Put it little dark so that you have that in mind. And start with square bracket. Okay, this bracket you start, so that we have to change the sign later after opening the bracket. Here you will use a minus b the whole cube formula. Let us use 2a the whole cube minus 3 into 2a square into b after minus plus 3 into 2a into b square after plus minus b cube. Close the bracket. Now let us solve this part. So put equal to 2a cube will be 8a cube plus. Now we are very sharp. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Over no? So 12. Once again check. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. A square b plus. Now this part. 3 2s are 6, ab square plus b cube. And remember minus sign. Minus. Again start with bracket. 2a the whole cube will be 8a cube. Write it below so that no, like terms will come one below the other. Then we have minus. So now we will put same minus sign. When you open the bracket, sign will change. Again, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, a square b plus 3 2s are 6, ab square minus b cube. Close the bracket. Now the time has come to open the bracket. This full you will copy as it is. 8a cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square plus b cube minus भी क्या होगा? All the sign will change. 8a cube, this will become plus 12a square b, this will become minus 6ab square, this will become plus b cube. Now we all know that if you have a minus a will be 0. No? Same way 8a cube and What is the sign of this 8a cube? Minus. 8a cube minus 8a cube will be cancelled. Because one is plus 8a cube and the sign of this 8a cube is minus. Okay, the sign which comes before. So that is this minus. Now, see here, 12a square b and 12a square b. One is plus, one is minus, only then you can cancel. Here both are plus. Plus into plus is plus. 12 plus 12 is 24 a square b. Both are having plus sign. Now see here, one is plus 6ab square, another is minus 6ab square. Cancel. This can you cancel? No, because both are having same sign. What is plus into plus? Plus. So we'll put plus. B cube plus b cube will be 2b cube. Only b cube means you have 1 as the coefficient. Here also 1. 1 plus 1 will be 2b cube. If you want, now you can take here from these two 2 as common, or you can leave the answer this way, no problem. Or else, from these two number, 24 goes in 2's table, no? So I can take 2 common. And what else is common? A idhar hai. A idhar hai kya? No. Here we don't have A. So A can't be taken as common. B can you take common? Yes. There is one B here. There are 3 B's here. So one B you can take common. So 24 divided by 2 will be 12. A square as it is. B already taken out. So B you will not write. Plus 2 we took it outside. Out of 3 B's, 1 B is outside. So how much is remaining? B square. So in some books you will see the answer written this way. In some books this way. Okay, I will give you correct even if you write till here. Okay children, hope you understood. So this is not an easy sum. They are trying to scare us by asking 2 formulas together. But we all are very clever. We can handle it easily. I hope you are clear with these sums. Okay, now let's solve the second question in simplify. 3r minus 2k the whole cube plus 3r plus 2k the whole cube. Here we have plus sign in the middle. That is, we need not worry. The sign will not change. Very easily you will get. We will apply a minus b the whole cube formula here. So what are we going to get? 3r cube minus 3 into 3r square into 2k plus 3 into 3r into 2k square minus, correct no? Minus plus minus 2k the whole cube. Then we have plus sign. Plus sign. To be clear, I am leaving one line. You also leave so that you can understand your own handwriting. This is r. Now here you will apply a plus b the whole cube formula. 3r cube plus 3 into 3r square into 2k plus 3 into 3r into 2k the whole square plus 2k the whole cube. Lot of 2k's and all. So don't make silly mistakes. Check once again. 3a square b. Okay. 3ab square. Okay. And b cube. Now from equal to you will start. We'll open the bracket. 3 into 3 into 3 is 27 r cube minus 3 into 3 9. 9 into 6. 9 6 are 54. Correct, no? 3 3 are 9. 9 2 are 18. 18 3 are 54. And here we have r square and then we have k. Okay? Then, then plus sign. 3 3 are 9. 2 2 are 4. 9 4 are 36. R k square minus 8k cube. Then we have plus sign. This sign I put. Same way you will get here also 27 r cube because both the numbers are same. Only sign difference. Plus 3 2s are 3 3s are 9, 9 6 are 54, r square k plus here 9 4s are 36 rk square plus 8k cube. So we can cancel now. Minus 8k cube plus 8k cube. These both are same sign. You can't cancel. Minus 54 plus 54. Cancel. Now this also 27 and plus. You can't cancel. So let us add 27 plus 27 will be 54 r cube. This cancelled. Plus into plus plus 36 plus 36 will be 72 rk square. Okay. Now same way as we did before, 54 and 72 both are going in which table? 9's table, you know, no? Both are going in 9. So you should be good with tables. So we can take 9 common. Then how many r? 1 r you can take common. तो क्या बाकी बचा? 9 how much? 54. 9 6. 1 r taken out. So 2 r's remaining. R square. Plus 9 8s are no? 8. R taken out. K square. This way 100% correct answer. This way till here also if you get, you are correct. I hope you all understood, my dear children. Now we have the third sum. Third sum as 4a minus 3 the whole cube minus 4a plus 3 the whole cube. One type I have already solved, first sum. So I hope you will be able to solve this. Anywhere you go wrong, refer to the first sum and solve. Okay. So third and fourth sum you will do as homework. Here no need to worry because you have in the middle you have the plus sign. So this sum you can do it easily. 7y the whole cube. Be patient, calm and then solve. Okay. So this way we have completed practice set 5.3. We'll see you in the next class. Till then, bye and thank you.